Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you can act now. Inspect foot traffic and customer flow during peak hours, and make sure zoning and landlord rules allow an ATM. Next, verify electrical capacity, typically 120V and 20A, and where the outlet will sit. Contact an ATM provider or the bank to confirm they service your area, discuss split percentages, and request standard lease terms. Once done, gather a simple package: site photos, measured outlet location, and landlord permission to move forward. You now handle the complex middle. Negotiate rent, revenue share, and term length while insisting on reasonable early exit and maintenance clauses so you're protected. Make sure permits and any fire or accessibility approvals are submitted. Some municipalities require a simple vendor permit. Coordinate needed utility upgrades, dedicated circuit or conduit, and lock in insurance coverage and security camera placement. Once permits are approved, schedule a site visit with the ATM installer to finalize mounting, cash logistics, and power routing before signing the lease. You finish by signing the lease and confirming who pays what: utilities, repairs, and cash loading. Schedule the installer, supervise mounting and power hookups, then run full terminal tests with live transactions to verify cash dispensing, receipt printing, and network connectivity. Post-install, put up approved signage and train staff on cash handling or emergency shutoff. If something goes wrong, first check power and network connections, then confirm bank host credentials. If issues persist, escalate to the ATM provider immediately for remote diagnostics and a service visit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.